Hello friends, I am Sushila Sharma. Welcome to this channel. Here we will learn to talk in 4 languages. Only one sentence in different languages, just like English, Hindi, Sanskrit and Turkish. Now let's start. First of all, thank you in different languages, just like in English. Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Today we will learn thank you in different languages, just like in English. Thank you in Hindi, धन्यवाद in Sanskrit, धन्यवादः in Turkish, teşekkür ederim. And now, thank you so much in different languages, just like in English. Thank you so much in Hindi, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद in Sanskrit, कोटि कोटि धन्यवादः in Turkish, çok teşekkür ederim. And now, yes in different languages, just like in English. Yes in Hindi, हाँ in Sanskrit, am in Turkish, evet. And now, no in different languages, just like in English. No in Hindi, nahi in Sanskrit, nahi in Turkish, hayır. And now, I am in different languages, just like in English. I am in Hindi, मैं हूँ in Sanskrit, aham asmi in Turkish, ben. And now, you in different languages, just like in English. You in Hindi, आप respectful word, तुम formal word in Sanskrit, for male, bhavan for female, bhavati in Turkish, sen. And now, my in different languages, just like in English. My in Hindi, मेरा use in male, मेरे respectful word, मेरी use in female in Sanskrit, mama in Turkish, benim. And now, your in different languages, just like in English. Your in Hindi, तुम्हारा formal word, आपका respectful word in Sanskrit, for male, तव formal word, भवतः respectful word, for female, तव formal word, भवत्यः respectful word in Turkish, senin formal word, senin me respectful word. And now, we in different languages, just like in English. We in Hindi, हम in Sanskrit, vayam in Turkish, biz. And now, our in different languages, just like in English. Our in Hindi, हमारा use in male, हमारी use in female in Sanskrit, अस्माकम in Turkish, bizim. And now, all of us in different languages, just like in English. All of us in Hindi, हम सबका in Sanskrit, अस्माकम in Turkish, hepimiz. And now, all of you in different languages, just like in English. All of you in Hindi, तुम सबका formal word, आप सबका respectful word in Sanskrit, yushmakam in Turkish, hepiniz. And now, for me in different languages, just like in English. For me in Hindi, मेरे लिए in Sanskrit, mama krite in Turkish, benim için. And now, for you in different languages, just like in English. For you in Hindi, आपके लिए in Sanskrit, tubhyam in Turkish, senin için. And now, for all of us in different languages, just like in English. For all of us in Hindi, हम सबके लिए in Sanskrit, asmabhyam in Turkish, hepsi bizim için. And now, for all of you in different languages, just like in English. For all of you in Hindi, तुम सबके लिए formal word, आप सबके लिए respectful word in Sanskrit, yushmabhyam in Turkish, hepiniz için. And now, please in different languages, just like in English. Please in Hindi, कृपया in Sanskrit, कृपया in Turkish, lütfen. And now, sorry in different languages, just like in English. Sorry in Hindi, क्षमा कीजिए, माफ कीजिए in Sanskrit, क्षम्यताम in Turkish, özür dilerim. Friends, today it's enough. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Friends, today it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, then please give your likes and comments and subscribe this channel. See you again in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Thanks.